everyone, I'm at my new listing at 808 Railway Circle in Wentzville, Missouri. Let's go see what $379,000 buys you here in Wentzville, Missouri. Let's go check it out. Okay, let's start out with the beautiful 3-car garage here. Massive driveway and walk in this front entry. I love this siding here. Big long hallway back here. So up front here, we got 2 bedrooms. Nice sized bedrooms here. Bathroom, check out that flooring. Wow. Shiplap on the side there, and bedroom number 3 up here. And then we come back here. Great room kitchen is that way. Beautiful accent wall. But let's go into the master first. Check out this master. This is a big king bed. Awesome walk-in closet. I think the only thing I would change here is I put a double rack probably on the side. And I think the single rack is not enough for most people. Dual sinks. Separate towel, shower and tub. And check out this shower. Awesome shower head, little seat in there, area to put everything, and then toilet room there in the beautiful backyard. Can't wait to show you that backyard. Okay, let's go back out to the great room kitchen. So big family room here. Got a fireplace, a cool accent wall that looks into the awesome kitchen. Breakfast room. Got a breakfast bar there. Beautiful 42-inch cabinets, main floor laundry down here, and then a cool little pantry door. Isn't that awesome? I like how it highlights it. Lots of storage in there. Cool backsplash. Let's go back outside here. So this lot is amazing. Covered patio. Got all lit up here. Look at the size of this patio. Great spot for your barbecue grill over there. And then fenced yard, landscape, and then an awesome fire pit back here. So like I said, this is 370 here in Wentzville, Missouri. What would this be in your neck of the woods? Let me know in the comments below, and let me know what you think of this house. If you're interested in buying it, give me a call. I'd be glad to show it. It's going on the market here within the next week. So actually, when you see this video, it'll be on the market. So give me a call. I'll get you in it right away. There's no sense in building when you got this house to live in. Everything's here already. Let's go.